What's up, everybody? Well, today we're unboxing the AGV Corsa. I already picked up this tinted visor. I believe it's for daytime and nighttime use. Oh, snap. I want to scratch that up. Alright, unbox. You get your helmet here. Set that to the side. And then you got your stickers, which looks like a manual. These are your tear-offs, I believe. And this is your pin lock, fog-resistant lens. Put that all to the side. Gosh, it would tear on me. Yeah, so you get stickers, warning label, another sticker. This is silicone oil for visor mechanism. Never had that before on a helmet. And you got your helmet here. Let's go ahead and undo this. Now, when I did order this the first time, it was too small, so bought extra large this time. Hopefully, it is the right size, because I really don't want to buy another one. Got it in matte black, because this is the only one that they had in extra large. Voila. Here's the inside. Got D-rings, of course. And like I said, I got the visor, and I do have a gold wing coming for this to kind of match the visor, but not quite. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap the visors out so I don't scratch this one up. Simple and easy. All you do is pull down on this tab right here and it unlocks. I don't want I always feel like I'm going to break these things. Sheesh. I'm going to pause the video and then I'll be back. So, we're back. I got the visor off literally as soon as I stopped the camera. After it came off. But for this visor, all you do is take this little piece off right here. This little styrofoam. And the same way you took it off, that's how you're gonna put it on. So line up these holes, pull down on this, and it should pop on. I'm not doing this on a table, so it's kind of harder. Dang, where's it at? I think that's it right there. Golly. Okay, there we go. And then this side, push down, close that, and boom. Looks better already. I'm pretty sure this will be a little bit more gold once I get outside, but that is the helmet. Oh, look, some candy. Put that to the side. I'll eat that later. These are vents. And then for this vent, it's on the inside, right behind the chin skirt. That drops down. And then you push up, close it, open this, push this button, comes up. The only thing I don't like about this helmet, it doesn't have individual clicks. It's just either all the way up or all the way down like this, and then locked. My other helmet is HJC, and it has little individual notches or whatever, but yeah. We are back. I just did an unboxing for this helmet, the AGV Corsa R. Now we're going to do my motovlogging setup. Alright, so the things you're going to need a heat gun, obviously your chin mount and stuff like that. I have different mounts here. but that's if you want to use them. This is like just a curved mount. You can put this anywhere. Like the camera angle is totally up to you, like preference. You can put it up here, you can put it on the side, it doesn't matter. I'm using the chin mount. It's a little bit more centered in my opinion, and I like it right there. This is just the standard little attachment that came with the GoPro, and then I have this one. This one came with a GoPro Mount Kit. Same with this one. It came in the kit, had all these different little attachments. I have way more than this, but I'm only gonna use a couple of them. You're gonna need your screws, one of these just to kind of like clean it up a little bit, and yeah. So to get started, you want to. All right, so I'm gonna put it on like this. Okay, so you want to kind of like pick where you're gonna put it and kind of center it and make sure it's good and aligned up correctly. And if it even helps, go ahead and put your mount that you're going to use in the chin mount and then center it up. You can get a Sharpie and mark it off if you want to. See, that looks all right to me. All right, looks good to me. Okay, so pop this off. Peel back this 3M tape if I can get it started. All right. Chin mounts does, this is already sticky enough, but chin mounts does say heat it up for a little bit. So, I'm wait for this to get hot. Just a little bit more. Alright, that should be good enough. Yeah. Now, kind of just slightly place it on there. And once you got it lined up, go ahead and put it on. And after you put this on, you're supposed to let it sit for 24 hours so it'll stay on before actually riding and using it. Well, you can probably ride with it, but not have your full motovlogging setup on it just yet. All right, so that's on there. So, like I said, I'm using this mount right here, this little curvature mount. And you want to have this. And this is where I'm going to use this screw. So I'm not using one of these, because if you use one of these, it's going to be sticking out. And I mean, I kind of want it all to be looking flush and kind of seamless, I guess. So you're going to need a screwdriver to obviously tighten that down. But turn this to the side. I don't really want to put it on there yet, but here, we'll just put it out front. So like, you want to have it angled as kind of leaned back, because this helmet leans forward. So if you're in a tucked position, you want it kind of leaned back like that. All right, so, and then, you know, obviously you're going to need your mic adapter. And then I got my microphone from Purple Panda, and they have this mic adapter for this GoPro. Wrong way. So you plug your mic adapter in like so, and then get your Purple Panda mic out of there and plug it in here, and then run it through your helmet and whatever else. If you plug everything up and you don't have audio, it's probably because you don't have the right mic adapter. So with that being said, GoPros do not like when a mic has 3 little black rings. Hold on, let me try to see if I can find a mic that has 3 black rings. I don't know if you guys can see that difference, but one has 2 black rings around it and the other has 3. So your GoPro is going to have 3, I believe. And you need one, so that's when this mic adapter comes into play. So when you plug in your mic adapter, that goes into there, and on the other end, instead of this having this kind of connection for your older GoPros, you'll have this connection, or have 2 rings, and this will plug into your mic adapter, or your mic adapter that'll plug straight into your GoPro. I hope that made sense. But I'm gonna set everything up, and then I will insert an iPhone clip, or try to somehow, or a picture or something, show the finished product. This is what it's gonna look like once you get everything hooked up. And this is what I was talking about in the other part of the video. So this one has 2 rings on it, and that plugs into there. And then this one has 3. See, this one has 3. So you need microphone adapter, and then this GoPro mic adapter, so you can get audio. Because if you don't do that, if you just plug this straight into your GoPro, you won't have any audio, and you're going to be wasting time reshooting videos, and you're going to be just mad at yourself. So make sure that snaps all the way in, and then you just stuff all your cables inside. I'm probably going to have to like run this around this way so I can like tape it down or something. I don't know yet, but yeah. So this is what your final product is going to be. Like I said, I'm not going to use one of these little GoPro bolts. I'm going to actually use a screw, but I got everything stuffed on the inside. Microphone is in between the cheek pad. I'm probably going to scoot it back a little bit because I still got to install my Cardo on this side. And for this little excess right here, I'm probably just going to tape it down right here, honestly, so I can just leave it there, and all I gotta do is unplug it here, upload all the footage, I'll be good to go. But yeah, I mean, that's it for the GoPro setup. I was looking, I didn't even use this alcohol prep, but this is a brand new helmet, so I shouldn't have to. But you're just gonna alcohol prep right behind the chin mount, and then put the chin mount on. But other than that, the helmet is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe.